Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have seen the various problems in working of trickling filter, and also we have seen the comparison of conventional trickling filter and the high rate trickling filter. In this lecture, we are going to study regarding design of standard rate and high rate trickling filter using National Research Council's formula. So starting with design of standard rate and high rate trickling filter using National Research Council formula, in which we have to study the various parameters regarding hydraulic loading, organic loading and population based loading, and next problem we have to study regarding efficiency. So next slide. Various loading criteria for trickling filter. Whatever the wastewater which we are applying on trickling filter, it is applied by various ways, or the permissible loading on standard rate trickling filter can be expressed in the following units. First one is the hydraulic loading, then organic loading, and third one based upon the population. So we will see these one by one. First one, hydraulic loading. Hydraulic loading as quantity of sewage per hectare of surface area per day. So this loading should be between 25 to 40 million liters per hectare of surface area per day. Then as per the quantity of sewage per unit volume of the filter. So as per this loading criteria, the loading should be 7.5 to 20.5 million liters of sewage per hectare meter of filter volume per day. Then second, in terms of organic loading. So kg of 5 days BOD per unit volume of the filter area. So as per this loading criteria, the loading rate is 1000 to 2200 kg of 5 days BOD per hectare meter of filter volume per day, or 15 to 30 kg of BOD per 1000 cubic meter of filter media. And last one, population based loading as number of persons per hectare of filter surface area and as number of persons served depending upon unit volume of the filter media. So in this way the loading is given to the filter depending upon these three criteria. Then next one, formula for efficiency of trickling filter. The efficiency of conventional filter can be expressed by the following equation given by National Research Council, called by NRC of USA. So as per this formula, efficiency E is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.0044 under root of small u, or E is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 under root of capital U, where E is equal to efficiency of the filter and its secondary clarifier in terms of percentage of BOD removed by these units. Efficiency can also be calculated by the formula CI minus CE divided by CI into 100, where CI is the influent BOD concentration, CE is the effluent BOD concentration, small u is the organic loading in kg hectare meter per day, and U is equal to unit hydraulic loading in kg per meter cube per day. Next slide. By comparing the two efficiency formulas, CI upon CE divided by CI is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 0.44 under root of capital U, as above formula is applicable for both low rate and high rate trickling filter. The efficiency of second stage of two-stage filter is calculated by the formula E dash is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 divided by 1 minus E under root of W dash divided by V dash F dash, or E dash is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 divided by 1 minus E under root of capital U dash, where capital E is the percentage efficiency in BOD removal of the single stage or first stage of the two stage filter. Small e is equal to capital E by 100. E dash is equal to percentage efficiency of second stage filter. W is equal to BOD loading of settled raw sewage in single stage or first stage of two stage filter in kg per day. V is equal to volume of first stage filter in cubic meter. F is equal to recirculation factor of number of effective passes for the first stage filter, and value of F can be calculated. F is equal to 1 plus R divided by 1 plus into bracket 1 minus F bracket complete into R bracket square, or F is equal to 1 plus R divided by 1 plus into bracket 0.1 R bracket square, where F is a constant and whose value is 0.9. Then W divided by Vf is equal to capital U, that is first stage unit BOD, unit organic loading in kg per cubic meter per day. Per cubic meter, yes, per cubic meter per day. Then R and R dash is equal to recirculation ratio for first and second stage filters respectively. Then F and F dash is equal to treatability factor 0.9 for sewage for first and second stage filter respectively, and W dash upon V dash F dash is equal to second stage unit organic loading in kg per cubic meter per day. So this is regarding various formulae for calculation of efficiency in case of high rate trickling filter, maybe single stage trickling filter or two stage trickling filter. So this is sufficient in this lecture. Thank you.